why they're not paying attention. Greg, get on the heavy artillery, okay?
Hey.
All right, you guys, you ready?
Die if it's not too much trouble.
Oh, they showed guys! Get down, hurry up! Look, they're ducking, guys! Too much for them! Keep laying it on them, Greg.
Go Green Bay Packers.
It's way too much fire, guys!
We're gonna die. We're gonna die and it's gonna hurt. I don't want to die today, guys.
Just shut up! We're not gonna die. We need to think of a strategy. We can blow up. No, we can't blow up. Look, we're gonna need you later. All right, Poof, we need you to take one for the team.
What does that mean?
Well, I need you to poof. Poof like you never poofed before.
I don't want to poop, man. I'm gonna get shot.
No, you ain't. Look, I can tell they're not shooting that hard. Ooh, yeah, they ain't shooting that bad.
Really?
Yeah, go out there and poof.
Okay. It's pretty bad out here, guys.
You got it. Just throw yourself towards the bullets.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, there's a bird trying to sacrifice himself. Oh, get him, Greg.
Okay, let me throw this thing in reverse here. Okay, die, please.
Yes. Oh, Greg, you didn't get him.
Oh, I'm sorry, get all puffy. I don't know what happened.
Don't let it happen again.
Oh my God, guys! Poop just died! It's okay, baby. Don't cry. I'm here with you.
Tony, stop crying! Blue, get over here! Taliban, we need Blue badly. Yes. Well, look, the artillery guy's tearing our ass up. So we need you to do that triple thing where you make 3 of yourselves and go after him, because he's our biggest threat. Okay. Just if I don't make it, tell everybody I love them. Whatever.
Oh, man!
Greg, look out! Oh, you useless! I got to know. Oh no! Blue only knocked down 2 of them. Hey, Speedy, use your speed and take out the gunner. Damn! Looks like I gotta use the Mighty Eagle. Are you sure you want to do that? I have to. Oh, come on. Oh, none of that sense. The kids don't want to pay that. Oh, try it for free. I gotta use that. You are also Mighty Eagle free level. Do you want to lose the progress within the current level? I don't care. Once we take out those freaking pigs. Take them pigs. Die. Wait, come on now. What is Tuna doing here? Oh no! That's cheating! woman's done
Dougie, I'm sorry. Being a Ferrari. Why are you so sad about this?
Because there ain't never gonna be another car woman, PJ.